Okay, guys, why is technical analysis so important when you're day trading? I'm going to go over all of this right now, showing today's trading pattern. Because when we're trading, we're looking for these patterns that start to show up during the trading day and maybe give us a better feel of where we're going. Now, I like to use levels, so key levels, and also trend lines. So if we're looking at this is the S&P 500, the entire trading day today. So at 8:30, that is when the jobs numbers came out, the NFPs, and then the 4 o'clock close. So this is the entire trading day on the S&P 500. I use the Micro E-mini to trade this, to chart this, and I'm going to show you guys here in a second what I was looking at today. You see these circles, and you're probably wondering, what are those circles doing on the chart? So all we have to do is take out this trend line tool that Thinkorswim has. We connect the tops here. We connect the tops down here, and you have yourself a trend line. So I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger for you guys so you can see. This was a very key trend line all the way until about 12:30 today. So you can see here, it touches here, gets rejected here, rejected, rejected, and then we make our way down here. A huge rejection off of this, come back to the trend line, an even bigger rejection right down to our key level. A key level that has been in effect all day long. So I'm going to bring up a bigger chart to show you guys. I don't just look at this on a 1-minute chart, but when you're trading it, you have to know where these trend lines are. Right here, it starts to break out. This is the first time during the day that we saw the break of this trend line that went back all the way from 8:30 pre-market. So this is a huge break of this trend line. It comes back down and it retests the trend line. So a lot of times, even on stocks, you'll see a break of a trend line and then a retest of it. I mean, to the penny here. So then we then saw some really nice movement out of that area. So this is good to know. If you guys are beginners, learn your technical analysis. It will help you, and it will definitely help set an area of where you're thinking about either getting in or taking profit. So this is a key level down here at 4,100. So if you see these rejections here, this might be a good time to go short. You go short, and then your take profit would be around this key level. And then once you see the bounce, that's why I have VWAP up here. This is also coming into this area of consolidation that we saw here, got a rejection, came back down, basically just made an upside down V right here. And then, started to come back, came back to our key level, and then just bounced around here, for the rest of the day. So this is some technicals that I do every single day that I trade. If we look at this on a bigger time frame, you can see here this last week, we had a really nice week, a nice breakout, and then came down this week to this key level. Why is this a key level here at 40.72? Because of this. Right here on Thursday, we saw a little bit of rejection. Right here, pre-market Friday, same thing, rejected before we got that break of this area. And then came down, and now this is support. So we saw support here 2 days in a row, which led to this double bottom and another huge rip up. And then the macro economic news comes out. And a lot of times that will, send the market whichever way it's going to go. So that's, basically how I trade using technical analysis. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Hit the thumbs up for me. If you're new, subscribe. We have new videos just about every single day. So thanks for watching, guys. Take care.